Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I'm always on the lookout for interesting websites just to get other opinions, other people's opinions. And this one I found is IncredibleCharts.com. I want to give them credit, and I'm going to put a link in the description below this video so you can click on this web page that I'm on right now. All right, and it is going to be about candlestick chart patterns. What are the strongest ones? What are the weakest ones? I was really curious to see what they say. I cannot vouch or verify. I cannot vouch for anything on this website. It does not belong to me. I cannot verify that any of this is reliable or true. You have to make your own decisions. And I just want to see if you agree or disagree with these. All right, so they actually ranked from strongest to weakest. Many of the most popular or commonly known candlestick chart patterns. And by the way, before we get into this, just want to let you know if you need help with these things, trading, investing, chart patterns, things like that, you can contact me by email at davidmodell@gmail.com. Also in the description below this video, I'm going to put some free financial reports that you can download. And you can download one or several or as many as you want. So that's all in the description below this video. Okay. So let's see how they define strong and weak according to IncredibleCharts.com. If it's a strong candlestick pattern, that means it's at least 3 times as likely to resolve in the indicated direction. And then less strong would be reliable. According to them, reliable patterns are at least 2 times as likely to resolve in the indicated direction. And then the least reliable ones would be what they call weak patterns, which are only 1.5 times as likely to resolve in the indicated direction, meaning that 2 out of 5 of those patterns are likely to fail. So I would imagine we would probably want to avoid the weak ones and stick with the strong ones or reliable ones. All right, so my guess before looking at this was that as far as the strongest ones, at least for me in my trading, would probably be bullish and bearish engulfing patterns. I like those. I like dojis as possible reversal signals, especially if there's confirmation from other indicators. I like hammers, that kind of thing. But let's see what they say. All right, drum roll, please. Here we go. According to IncredibleCharts.com, the most or strongest one is 3 white soldiers for a reversal pattern. The bullish one, and the bearish one is pretty much the same thing but the opposite direction. 3 black crows. I never would have guessed that. Okay. 3 white soldiers. Let's take a closer look at that one. We'll pull it down a little bit. That's what it looks like. And basically, it's not that complicated. Maybe I'll make a video on this one in the future. But pretty much whenever you have, if it's 3 white soldiers, you're going to get a green candle, or a white one in this case. And then if the next one opens within the body of the last one and then closes above the last one, and then that happens again, opens within the body of the previous one and then closes above the previous one. So you get 3 in a row. That is supposed to be the strongest one, according to this website, IncredibleCharts.com. And then the strongest reversal pattern would be and that would happen, if it's a reversal pattern, it's going to happen at the bottom of a downtrend, a previous downtrend. Okay, and then the 3 black crows would be the opposite. It would be at the end of an uptrend, previous uptrend, then it would go down. Okay, I don't know. I don't see it that often, so that seems to be a fairly infrequent or rare one. But I guess if you do see it, that could be a pretty strong reversal pattern. Well, there you go. That's at the top of their list. Also strong, deliberation, and identical 3 crows. Pretty similar. They don't look that, they're not that different. Interesting. Okay. And what else would they consider strong? The morning star and evening star. Okay, I might have guessed that. And then those are reversal patterns. I'm not going to explain every single one because there are a lot of them on this page. You can look these up individually, and I have videos on some of these. So if you go on YouTube and type these in to the search box, you might actually find some of my videos there. So and then another strong one, according to the website, is the Concealing baby swallow. Not the most popularly known one. I would say one of the rare ones, and it's 4 in a row here, so it's not going to happen that often, as opposed to, let's say, a doji, which is really just a one candle thing, but there you go. All right, so that's the strongest ones. And then we have one more strong one here, 3-line strike. Again, not the most common one you're ever going to see, and that's a reversal pattern, and you got 4, it's a 4 candle pattern here. All right, so those are the strongest ones according to this website, and the reliable ones, which are a little bit less strong than strong, 3-line strike. Here it is. It's interesting that the bearish version at the top of an uptrend is strong, but then the bullish one at the bottom of a downtrend is only reliable and not strong. Interesting. Okay. Also reliable according to this website. There it is. The evening doji. Nice. Okay. And then the morning doji. Fair enough. I like that. I like those. Rising 3 methods, falling 3 methods. Look at that. It's a 5 candle pattern. You're not going to see it that often, but hey, rare patterns can be powerful patterns. Also reliable here, according to the website, 3 outside up, 3 outside down. Some kind of obscure ones, I would say, relatively speaking. There we go. I know this one. You might know it too, engulfing. I might make a video about that one. Don't be surprised. All right. And that's those are pretty, more frequent than I think anything else we've seen so far. All right. Belt hold. Okay. Interesting. Reliable. Abandoned baby. That's a well-known one. Reliable. Separating lines. All right. Reliable. Continuation patterns. Doji star. There we go. Good old dojis. But these are doji stars, so these are actually continuation patterns. An advanced block. All right. Not the most well-known ones. So now we're getting into the weak ones. So those were reliable. Now, supposedly, these are weak ones that you might not want to rely on too much. Might not want to use these so much, according to the website. Or at least that's what they might be suggesting. Advanced block. 3 inside up, 3 inside down. Considered weak here. Hanging man. An inverted hammer. Really? Okay. Considered weak. Could they be weak? I mean, this is only a 1 candle pattern, the hanging man. So it's not very rare. It's pretty common. Happens quite a bit. And so maybe because it happens so much, it's not going to be as reliable. Okay, you may agree or disagree. Inverted hammer, very common. Piercing line, dark cloud cover. That's a well-known one. Considered weak here. Interesting. Okay, stick sandwich. Considered weak. Breakaway. All right. Matching high, matching low. Considered weak. Side-by-side white lines. Considered weak. A lot of weak ones here. Downside gap 3 methods and upside gap 3 methods. A lot of kind of obscure ones here. Unique 3 rivers. Okay. Considered weak. Upside gap 2 crows. The hammer and the shooting star. I like those ones. Considered weak here, according to this website. All right. But again, it's only 1 candle. So it happens a lot. And so when you get a lot of instances, yeah, sometimes it's just not going to reverse. All right. As expected. So maybe there's a reason statistically they might think they're weak. I kind of like these. So I may tend to disagree with those, but hey, if they happen to have statistics and back testing to back it up, who am I to argue with that? The ones that I really like, so again, the strongest ones at the top of the page, 3 white soldiers, three black crows. Fair enough. I like the morning star and the evening star. I tend to agree with them on that one. Doji stars, I tend to agree with that one for sure. And engulfing, definitely. I like those. Not the strongest according to this, but reliable. All right, fair enough. What do I disagree with? Well, I just said it before. Go back to the bottom here. Let's find it here. There it is. The hammer and the shooting star, I like them, but hey, they don't. for whatever reason. What do you think? I'd be curious to get your ideas in the comments there below this video. Tell me, do you agree or disagree with IncredibleCharts.com? But I want to give them credit for putting the information out there. Feel free to click on their link. I'll put it in the description below this video. And hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. That lets me know that you want to see more of this kind of information. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and so you'll get an update, and hit that notification bell on YouTube so you get an update from YouTube whenever I put out new videos like this one. All right, and if you want to contact me for coaching, I do offer that. It is davidmodell@gmail.com, and I've got free reports. Click them, as many as you want, download as many as you want below this video in the description. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I'll talk to you again soon.